Now we will have a look at a specialized agency of the United Nations that has been frequently appearing in the news, which is none other than the International Maritime Organization, or IMO. Now this IMO, or the International Maritime Organization, it is a specialized agency of the United Nations with the responsibility for safety and security of shipping and the prevention of marine pollution by ships. So this IMO, it is mainly focused on safety and security of shipping, then the prevention of marine pollution. So prevention of marine pollution is one key objective of International Maritime Organization. Now IMO describes creating a regulatory framework for the shipping industry as its main role. So IMO's main role is to create a regulatory framework for the shipping industry, and IMO believes that this regulatory framework for the shipping industry should be fair and effective, and it should be universally adopted and universally implemented. So creating this kind of a universally adopted regulatory framework for the shipping industry, that is the goal of International Maritime Organization. And also IMO, it is the global standard setting authority for the safety, security and environmental performance of international shipping. So it is the standard setting authority when it comes to safety, security and environmental performance of international shipping. So safety, security and environmental performance, don't forget these three factors whenever we are discussing about the International Maritime Organization. Now recently, why IMO was in the news was due to the fact that India was recently re-elected to the Council of the International Maritime Organization under category B. So India was elected to the Council of the IMO under category B at the 30th session of the Assembly of the IMO that was held on London on 2017 December. So India was recently re-elected to the Council of the IMO as a category B member. Now let us discuss the PMT 12 prelims model question on the IMO. So this is a three statement question. Our first statement is it is a specialized agency of the United Nations. That is absolutely true. Then second statement, it is a global standard setting authority for the safety, security and environmental performance of international shipping. Again, absolutely true. Then third statement, prevention of marine pollution is one of IMO's most important objectives. Again, that is also true. So our right answer is option D, 1, 2 and 3.